This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Check the cable and link light so you know the interface is live. Once done, open the terminal or command prompt. Use administrator privileges when required. Make sure you know your operating system because commands differ. ipconfig for Windows, ifconfig or IP for Linux, and system preferences or terminal for Mac OS. You'll run a small query that returns interface names. Note the one labeled Ethernet or N0 so you can target the right adapter in the next step. Now run the OS-specific command to reveal addresses. This is the core action. On Windows, type ipconfig/all and find the IP4 address under the Ethernet adapter. Note the number. On Mac OS, either check System Preferences Network for the active Ethernet entry or run ifconfig N0 and read the inet line. On Linux, run ipedit or show deveth0 or IP and locate the inet field. These outputs show both the IP and subnet, which explain how your machine is addressed on the LAN. Finish by verifying what you found. Check the gateway and subnet mask so the address fits your LAN, and then test connectivity. Ping the gateway to confirm reachability. If replies fail, run ARP or IP neighbor to inspect link layer status. If you still lack an IP, renew or restart the interface. Use ipconfig/renew, sudo dhclient r/n sudo dhclient, or disable/enable the adapter. One key tip: if DHCP fails, try a static address in the same subnet to isolate DHCP server problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.